My name is Misako Rocks. I'm a Japanese manga comic artist. We are moving to manga drawing workshop. I want to start drawing guideline like this. And then when you draw guideline here, this sideline, can you draw a little bit lower, please? Manga eyes so big. That's why I want to have a nice big space for her eyes. Okay. Right. So let's start drawing the first eyebrows. Then I'm going to start drawing her eyelid. What I'm going to start drawing, it's kind of just a same shape as a rainbow, but the key is the edge little thicker, please. Here, the way we started drawing a little sharp, but the outside's a little feathery texture, right? And then let's add 1, 2, 3 eyelashes. If you're drawing older characters, maybe you might want to add more eyelashes. All right. Then let's start drawing her round eye. This character, again, like I said, she can be kind of a sensitive, soft, kind, right? That type of character. That means I want to draw actual eye, almost touched eyelid. If you have a space between eyelid and eye, the character is more energetic. But close like this is softer, sweeter. Okay. Then let's add a bottom eyelashes. Kind of like this. Here we go. And then we're going to draw inside the eyes, okay? Da, da, da. I'm going to show you something classic, useful, so you can change later. Shiny bubble shows up like this. And in the middle, let's add a black bubble. When character is really happy or even sad, tons of bubble shows up. So the bubble is the kind of a key to show their emotion. So when you read a manga or watching anime, when characters just getting like excited or crying, a lot of bubbles show up. So pay attention to that. Once you finish drawing this outline here, right? Can you add a little more like a thicker black line, the top? Sort of like a trace outline, but make it thicker. Only the top part. Did you see what I did? See, it's here, this part is more thin here, right? But this part gets little thicker black line. Kind of adding almost like a shadow. This really helps make it more dramatic. So add a little black line like this, that helps, okay? If you have color pencil, pick light tone. First layer, okay, so I'm adding a light blue, not inside of a bubbles, but inside of eyes, okay? Go like this. Da, 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 da. Here. Then I'm using a darker bluish purple. If you're not using a color pencil, make it really darker with a pencil, okay? So from the top, this black shadow, this part, right? You start adding a little, go press, make it pretty dark. And once you reach the middle part, this black bubble, you start relaxing your wrist, so you don't need to just add any color at all. Here, look. Whoa, pretty. It's like a night sky. So 2 tones just mixing together really well in the middle, but adding also this black, this thick line makes it more, just dramatic. So that's what I want you to do, okay? Da, 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 da. Kind of like this. All right. Thank you, guys.